In this demonstration, we will show a teleport of the SafeHack token between the EOS and Binance Smart Chain. The SafeHack app is currently in alpha and new features are still being added. The use is entirely at your own risk, and no liability is accepted for any losses. The procedure should work for all Ethereum-based Web3 wallets. Here, MetaMask is used as an Ethereum wallet. We first log into the wallet and then visit the SafeHack web app. Using the teleport button, we can select the desired token that we want to transfer between the blockchains. You will then be asked for the EOS wallet. Here we check beforehand whether the correct EOSIO blockchain is selected, and in my case use the EOS wallet Anchor. There, the connection with the app will be confirmed. Next, the Ethereum wallet is connected to this button. The MetaMask wallet pops up and the account to be connected can be selected. If the Ethereum-based blockchain, such as the Binance Smart Chain, is not yet stored in MetaMask, you can do so manually. On chainlist.org, the respective blockchain is entered into the search and added to MetaMask. The direction in which the teleport should take place can be changed by clicking on the arrow. First, we want to transfer tokens from the EOS blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. The balance on the respective blockchains can be seen in the boxes. To refresh the balance, you can use this button. Next, we enter the amount to be sent. Over here, you will be notified in case the amount of tokens for the teleport is not sufficient. The fixed and percentage-based fees for the teleport are automatically determined and estimated for the respective sum. We click on Send and confirm the transaction within the EOS wallet. Now we have to wait until the transaction is irrevocably accepted by the blockchain network. This may take a few minutes. If the window accidentally gets closed during the process, don't worry. We can simply log in again and use this button to call up the last transactions. Note that for the following steps, transactions are made on Ethereum-based blockchains. Their transaction fees are incurred in the respective system token. Thus, a small amount of the respective token should be deposited in the account in order to be able to continue. In the case of the Ethereum blockchain, these are Ether, and in the case of the Binance Smart Chain, these are BNB tokens. After the transaction has been confirmed by the network, it can be registered on the recipient blockchain using the button that has now appeared. MetaMask opens up again. We confirm the transaction and see a little later that the tokens have arrived. In case the token is not yet stored in the Ethereum wallet, we can do this automatically with this button. This also gets confirmed in the wallet, where we can find our transferred tokens. The whole thing also works in reverse, so that the tokens are transferred from the Binance Smart Chain to the EOS blockchain. To do this, we change the direction, enter the amount again, and click on Send. This again is confirmed in the MetaMask wallet. No further transaction is necessary in this direction. We can see by the loading icon that it is waiting for the transaction to complete. After a few minutes, the tokens then appear on the EOS account. That was a two-way teleport demonstration. Thank you for watching.